next vlog. My name is Gerald Moore, and today we are going to be doing the 3 photographers shoot 1 model challenge. And in today's challenge, can you explain what the challenge is?
The challenge for today is we got 3 photographers, 1 model, and then we have 5 minutes each to take whatever pictures, whatever style we have. We're using our own cameras. So we got film, we got mirrorless cameras, and we're gonna edit it and see which pictures look better.
Okay, and then you guys will be the one that's gonna judge us. So feel free to comment if you like the movie. I'm gonna be shooting with the Canon M50 with a 50mm f1.8 and the 85mm f1.8.
I got an M6 Mark II. I got a 56mm and 22mm.
So I got a 35mm film camera, which is the Pentax Super ME, using a 15mm f2.0 lens.
And of course, we got our one and only model for today.
I'm dying.
Literally just died. Yeah. Looks like you're done with it before. Alright, so let's get started.
And starts.
Okay, so we have 5 minutes to do the shoot. I'm gonna start first, so we're gonna start over here so I can get the lights. And I'm gonna be using the 50mm f1.2, and I'm gonna try to use this.
Right here.
Yeah. Not okay, like that. Seriously. Alright.
Be set.
And of course.
You only got 3 shots.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Two more minutes. It's okay, I'm a professional. I've done this before.
He is.
I'm never scared.
Wow! Okay!
Alright, last one. Back to the top.
He's serious now. He's serious now. He's doing the.
Whoa, careful. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Damn, look at those photos though. Alright. Hold on, still one. You got it. Alright. Okay, yeah, play with your hair real quick. Perfect. Smile. Damn, I love your fit this time. Can you stand at that log? Yeah, I guess. Actually, move the middle. Alright, one. So that was very stressful. What'd you think?
It's fun.
For the first one,
Yeah.
it was a lot of running around. I'm sweating. Yeah.
My feet.
Good job. Alright, go. Oh, okay, so definitely cheating already.
Look at that,
started.
cheated already.
Yo, I guess I got the line.
Yo, it'll be nice.
There you go. That's awesome. Awesome. Kind of swing your head so your head. Alright, 1, 2, there you go. Oh, it's symmetrical. Awesome. Yeah, look at it. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do the staircase again.
He dying out there.
There you go. Awesome. 1, 2, 3. Experiment with different like. Put your other leg, both of them upward. There you go, and then kind of just lean forward.
I mean, it's not in the video.
Alright, let's do it. There you go, there you go. Do that first, and then look at me, and smile. Hi.
Wow. He's like,
You have a lot of makeup, no. Okay, Daniel.
Like that. That's good. That's good.
Can butt
Oh, he was doing his homework.
Yeah.
Wow, he's ready.
Yeah, I know, because he got.
Wow.
You got what? Was it hard?
That was hard. I'm sweating. I want
Oh,
to eat more
man.
Jollibee now.
Hey.
Start!
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's start already? Okay.
We're gonna try to do like a set.
You see that?
Sorry, I got
Let's try a water effect. So.
Yo.
Yeah, the way that performed like last time with the other photographer.
I lost.
No, this is. I mean, I'm pretty.
25.
One, two, three. You don't remember when I was like telling you the thing?
Yeah.
1 minute? It was like. One, two, three. So we pose right there, and then looking at that direction right there. Don't look at my camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then like. Yeah, there you go. It's
Like you're pouting.
perfect. Okay, one more. I'm gonna try to get the face. I got a very good pose.
How much time he got?
15 seconds.
5 minutes, right?
Wait, so.
That's it.
You technically got 2 more minutes, by the way.
Unless you want to take the 2 more minutes.
You sure? Yeah.
You sure?
Okay.
Easy. You got the water reflection.
Yeah, sort of. Hopefully.
I'm not gonna lie, they all got the more creative shots. I get it.
Oh, it's all good.
Let's set it off.
All right.
Yep.
That. Look at that fucking train, man. Look at that fucking train. It's so fucking loud.
They were both kind of slow, so I don't know.
Just waiting for the train, you know. Everyone's sweaty.
Okay, so that was very stressful. I should have not went first because it's cheating. They all got the time that they need. And
5 minutes.
That's the reason why they got better shot. I'm kidding. No.
That was very, very fun. We had a lot of fun. So.
Actually, we've done this before. I'm gonna post the pictures at the end of the video, but this is our second time doing this. just because the first time the video got corrupted and now we're here.
Someone
But,
deleted it.
Any last comments?
It was really fun. We should do it again, but maybe another place,
Not
other
here.
styles. Maybe like I don't know. But you gotta subscribe to Soul.
Exactly. Hopefully, please. Any last comments?
Sweaty. Ready to eat.
Yep, ready to eat. We're all sweating.
Yeah, what are we eating? Jollibee.
Time for Jollibee.
Okay. If you know, you know. Well, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Peace.